heart was known to none. Left his home and went his lone, solitary ways. Gave to me a gift that no, I never can repay. Quiet man of music, denied a simpler faith. Tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. Earned a lot through discipline, thundering velvet hand. Gentle means of sculpting souls, years to understand. Leader of the band has started, sides are growing old. Strumming my instrument, and the song is in my soul. Life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band.